Good morning, great. How are you all? I hope you all are feeling good. You all are fresh, happy, ready to learn something in this class. Yes, and I hope you all are revising everything that we are doing throughout this week and whatever we have done throughout this term. Are you doing that? Are you revising? Are you studying? Because I've told you before as well, very soon this whole session will be over and then you will have your final exams. And after final exams, what's going to happen? You'll be going to a next class, a new grade, right? So for that, you need to study. You need to work hard, correct? Now, let's have a starter by playing a game. Are you in, do you like playing games? Yes? Great. So let's play a game and the game is Simon Says. Okay? Are you all ready to play the game? Yes? Okay. Let's start now. All right, class. Now, Simon says, close your eyes. Simon says, open your eyes. Simon says, clap your hands twice. 1, 2. Okay. Simon says, move your right hand fingers like this. Move your right hand fingers. Simon says, open your mouth. Very good. Simon says, stop now. You have to stop. So what you did actually, you did whatever Simon asked you to do, isn't it so? So what was that actually? Those were all your actions. Those were all your actions that you did. These were the doing things that you were doing, right? So what do we call them? The actions that you did, like suppose you first the Simon said to close your eyes. Close was the action. Then Simon said to open your eyes. Open was the action. Then Simon said to clap your hands. You clap, so clapping was also an action. Then Simon says to move your fingers. Moving is also action. So these are all the action words. They are action words, or we also call them verbs or doing words. Verbs, doing words, action words, they means the same. Verbs means action words, verbs means doing words, what action you are doing, what actions you are doing, whatever you are doing, they are all verbs. They are all called action words. And this is what we are going to learn today in the class. You have already done this before in this session as well. As you know, in every unit there is some portion of grammar, some portion of punctuation, in which you learn different things. So you have done these verbs, these action words before also. Yes or no? Right. Now, I'm going to show you a few pictures and you are going to look at those pictures and you are going to describe them as well. All right. Are you all ready? Okay. There you go. Can you all see my screen, class? That's good. Okay, now what is this first picture about? What are they doing actually? Two people are holding a, you can say a log. It's not a log actually. It's an heavy object. You can say it's a bracket. Yes. And so how will you describe it? Two people are holding a bracket or a shelf. It seems to look, the shelf looks very heavy. That is why two people are holding it. If was not heavy, then only one could hold it. But since it's heavy, so two persons are holding. So you have, so what is the doing word here? Which doing word you have used? They are holding. They are holding the bracket or they are carrying the bracket. Both are the doing words, right? Let's move on. What are these people doing? What are they doing? They are looking at the laptop and What else? These people are working in an office. You can describe the picture. So how will you describe in a proper way? There are few people sitting in an office. They are working together. They are looking at some important document on their laptop. So which doing word you have used here? They are working in an office. They are looking at some important document on their laptop. So working and looking, again, these two are the doing words or the action verbs. Now, what is this girl doing? You can say she's folding the clothes. Yes, so how will you describe? In this picture, I can see a girl who is folding clothes and keeping them in the basket, right? So what doing words you have used? Folding, keeping. Again, two doing words you have used. All right. Now, what is these two men are doing? These two men are reading some book. Two men are reading some book. So, what is the doing word here? Reading. Reading also you can say, or you can say two men are looking at a book, right? So, reading and looking both are doing words. Now, what is this woman doing? A woman is washing dishes. What she is doing? A woman is washing dishes. So, what is the doing word here? Washing is the doing word, correct. Now, what is this boy doing actually? Now, you can see this, I can see in this picture, a man is running and going to his office. He is also looking at his watch. And since he's running, so that means he is late. He's late for work, so that is why he's looking at the watch and he's running that I'm late for work. So how will you describe? A boy is going, I can see in this picture, a boy is running to his office because he is very late. He is looking at his watch. So what are the doing words? Going to his office, looking at his watch because he's late. So going and looking. So these are two doing words that you have used for this picture. All right. Now what are they doing actually? Look at this picture carefully. There are different people doing the same type of work. What are they doing actually? They are cleaning. Very good. Some of the one woman is cleaning the floor, other boy and a man is also cleaning the floor, and another woman is watering the plant. So what are they? What are the doing verbs you have used? Cleaning, watering. These two are the doing verbs. Correct. And what in the last one, what they are doing here? Again, you can see so many people doing so many different things. One man is painting a picture. One a woman is cleaning the floor. There is a doctor standing over here. There is a chef cooking something. There is a girl, she is singing. There is a farmer who is trying to farm something. And there is you can say a joker who is, you can say a magician who is playing tricks. So they are all doing something, painting, cleaning, doctor is looking and making food, singing, farming, and playing tricks. So these are all the different doing words that I have shown. So many pictures tells you so many different things that different people are doing. So now you must be very, very clear with all the verbs, all the doing verbs. You must have some idea, you must have few words. You should actually have words in your mind which are doing words. Now, let's make a list of doing words together as a whole class. Come on, tell me one doing word. To run, okay. Jump, okay. What else? Hop, okay. What else? Clean, Okay, what else? Singing, to sing, to dance. What else? To write, very good. Writing, reading, to read. Then what else you have seen in that picture? Uh, there was a picture holding, to hold something, to carry something, to bring something. Now, what I am doing right now, I am writing as well as talking. To talk is also an action word or doing word, right? Now, let's make few sentences out of these words. Come on, any one sentence from any of these words. Run. I like to run in my park. Very good. Good job. Jump. My baby brother likes to jump all the time. Very good. Then you can say clean. My mother likes to clean the house all the time. She loves that. I know that. Sing. My brother wants to sing in his class, right? Dance. I love to dance in in birthday parties. I love to dance in birthday parties. Correct. Now what I want you class, I want you all to make all the write down this list of verbs in your notebook and make any use any three of these verbs in your sentences. So you are going to make a list, write down the list in your notebooks and use three verbs in your sentences. And for that, I'm going to give you 10 minutes time and your time starts now. Time is up. Come on, time is up. Okay, show me your verbs, your list. Very good. Okay. Now you have used the same sentences which we discussed just now in the class. Any sentence which is new? Yes. Which one? Yes. All the sentences? Okay, that's great. Now, I hope children, you must have understood whatever we have done in the class, whatever we have learned in the class, in this whole class in the of literacy. So I hope you will remember and I hope you are going to study for your final exams. You are going to revise, review everything that we have done throughout this week, throughout this whole term, that is term 2. And don't forget to do your homework. I'll be posting that on portal. It will be related to your workbook page. Okay, Sunil? All right. See you next time. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.